Glam Squad, welcome back to the channel. We are back. We are better than ever. You guys already know I am so excited for today's video. Y'all know by the title, we are going to do an affordable, budget-friendly, easy as fuck base routine. I've come to learn that a lot of people don't know how to do their base, which is duh. It's 2024, babes. I got you. Baddie on a budget, y'all. Look at how stunning the base came out. If you guys do want to see how I got this base and what I use, keep on watching. But pause if you're new to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, because subscribing is the only way you can be part of the Glam Squad. If you don't know what a Glam Squad is, Glam Squad are the best people on YouTube. We like fashion, we like makeup, and sometimes we do sit down videos. You got me? Anyways, y'all, I don't want to keep this intro way too long. Let's just get into the video. I am so excited to show you guys this affordable ass base routine that is budget friendly, beginner friendly, just friendly, okay? Period. This is the Glam Good Grip Hydrating Primer. This is a dupe, I think, for the Milk Primer. This is so good. So I use 3 pumps of this when I'm doing my base, and I just put it all over the face. I massage it real good so that my skin can absorb this. Honestly, you can just go ahead and do your base right then and there, but I do like a little blur. I think this Kiss New York Curling and Blurring Face Primer is perfect. It's just like the secure the blur from one size. That is just my opinion. Just my opinion, okay? So with this, I do like that much. And then just like I did with the hydrating primer, I do the same with the blurring. I feel like pairing a hydrating and a blurring primer is just the holy grail. I'm a little impatient, so I'm gonna thin my face so that everything can just dry out. Okay, for foundation, to be honest, we can go 2 ways right now. We can go with the Glam Skin Fitted Hydrating Foundation, or we can go with the Milani Concealer Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. How about we mix them? But y'all, these are so affordable. You can find this at Walgreens, CVS, and this is available on the Glam app. You know what? I'm gonna go with the Milani because Glam is kind of my winter shade. So Milani, gonna put like a pump in the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use a brush. This is the brush from Morphe. I'm obsessed with this brush, and then I'm just gonna like pat that on my skin. Use a tapping motion. Don't swipe it, because then you will have like brush swipe on your face, and you don't want that. On your neck. Don't be shy. For concealer, we are going to go with the BR True Complexion Long Wear Concealer. This is lighter shade than your foundation. Always go a shade lighter than your foundation. And then I'm just gonna put that. Boom, boom, boom. My forehead, down my nose. You know, conceal the fuck out of your face. I am going to let my concealer sit, but I'm going to go with the Glam Contour. And I use the shade Terracotta, but like it's super light, but it works. It's like gray. This is a perfect contour shade for me because it's gray. It looks great on me. I am going to brush my contour with like a tapping motion. Always tap, y'all. We're not swiping anything on our face because we don't want any of that negative energy. You know. Now I'm going to like blend my concealer. Before I do that, I am going to spray my face, and I'm gonna go with the Glam Press Refresh Setting Spray. I used to spray my face after every step, Like after foundation, I'll scrub my face. After concealer, I'll scrub my face. I don't do that anymore. It's just such, I think it works, but like wasting products. I'm just wasting setting spray. That's why the setting spray expensive as fuck. Okay, so I'm blending this. As you guys can see, I am blending it upwards so that it can lift my face up. We want a facelift without all the Botox and fillers and shit. Boom. Ugh, so con. After I blend my concealer, I'm gonna go with a blush. I'm using the ColourPop blush stick, and I'm putting it in the back of my hand first. I use my brush, and then I'm going to like bring it up just like I did with my concealer. This is also wet, so it's just gonna like blend so beautifully. I'm gonna spray my face again and let that setting spray set. So we're gonna go with the LA Color setting powder. This is a medium translucent. I fucking love this stuff. It's so good. It's so freaking good. People are sleeping on LA Colors, y'all, because like so good. I'm gonna show y'all. You grab the products, boom boom boom, tap on your palm, okay, and then I'm gonna start from the outer corner of my eyes, set in my face, okay, and then for like that side, I'm just gonna, I like to go very high because I love a lifted face, you know, so that I look snatched, okay. So with the excess, I'm just gonna go on my forehead. Yeah. Now that we just put all the cream products, we're gonna have to go with the powders so that we can set everything. I'm gonna go with the Dalton. I don't know if they still have this. I'm gonna like check it out and see if they do. I'm gonna like bring some color to the cheeks, okay, to my face. Okay, we are going to go with ColourPop because ColourPop is cheap, and we are keeping it cheap today. ColourPop, this is so pretty. It's very buildable and it's very pink, so be careful. Keeping that very high up. Yeah. You wish that was you, huh? Okay, y'all, we're gonna spray the Morphe. Your face is like 50% dry. What I like to do is I'm gonna go in with my highlight. This is the Shea Glam highlight. It up, it up, it up, it up. My nose, I go with my fingers. Look at that base. This base is so comfy, it's affordable, and look at how it's just sitting on the face. It's full coverage, but somehow it looks like my skin. It's just giving everything it's supposed to be given. Look at that. It just looks so stunning. It's so cute. I am so obsessed. If you guys did try this routine, tag me on TikTok. My TikTok will be right here. On Instagram, it'll be right here. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And y'all check out my latest video. I'll be right here, and I'll see you guys on my next video.